And I respected they were engineered very well. They're always engineer first. Overly complex, that's why they get a bad rap, and people don't know how to work on them, which I'm getting to. But one popped up, an SM, which was kind of the penultimate Citroen until they dissolved. And I don't know if, because you're a rotary guy, right?
Yeah, boy.
So I don't know if do you know the rotary story with that?
With Citroen?
Yeah.
No.
So Citroen and NSU, the German company, right? They created a company called, what was it, Com Motor. I think that was Com Motor. And they were developing together a rotary engine. And Citroen was very methodical about it. They actually produced, I think, 600-700 prototypes.
Really?
And had people driving them and stuff. And then this was in the 70s, the gas crisis happened, right? And then the rotaries just did not pan out. So it basically bankrupted both companies.
Wow.
So NSU got bought by Volkswagen and folded into Auto Union to become Audi, right? And then on the Citroen side, Citroen was like, well, shit, we were expecting to use this motor in our high-end SM because they did the DS, which did very well, but it had this kind of humdrum drivetrain. So they bought Maserati, the company, the whole company, to get the engine for the SM. Right.
Wow.
So anyways, that's the rotary. So I think
That's pretty
Mazda should
cool.
have a shirt, I survived rotary, because it has bankrupted every other company. That
You got to
has
get one
touched
of
it.
those. wouldn't it be?
Absolutely. Well, I'm
You
going
gotta
to ask Bern Herrera,
see if he knows.
I'm sure he does, but
Oh.
I didn't know that. That's cool.
You get some attention in the Cars and
But
Coffee
you know what, though?
tonight,
It's funny, though, because with the Citroen, now I'm going to ask you this question in a second here, but the rotary in a Citroen, to me, makes sense because it's such a quirky, I think it's quirky, car that a rotary would
Fit.
it would fit that whole persona of that car. Plus, it's a small compact motor and all that.